This dictation material has been obtained from official para 17. Provided further that directorship of a person or persons by virtue of nomination by the federal government or a provincial government or a financial institution or indirectly owned or controlled by such government or shares owned by the National Investment or the Investment Corporation of Pakistan or a financial institution directly or indirectly owned or controlled by the federal government or a provincial government or shares registered in the name of a central depository where such shares are beneficially owned by the central depository shall not be taken into account for determining the status of a company, undertaking or person as an associated company, associated undertaking or associated person. Full stop. Member means in relation to a company having share capital or subscriber to the memorandum of the company, and every person to whom is allotted or whom becomes the holder of any share, scrip or other security which gives him a voting right in the company and whose name is entered in the register of members, and in relation to a company not having a share capital, any person who has agreed to become a member of the company and whose name is so entered. Full stop. Memorandum means the memorandum of association of a company as originally framed or as altered from time to time in pursuance of the provision of any previous Companies Act or of this ordinance. Full stop. Prescribed means as respects the provisions of this ordinance relating to the winding up of companies and other matters requiring to be determined or decided by the court, prescribed by rules made by the Supreme Court in consultation with the High Courts, or where the Supreme Court advises the federal government to do so, by the federal government in consultation with the High Courts, and as respect the other provisions of this ordinance. Full stop. Associated companies and associated undertakings mean any two or more companies or undertakings or a company and an undertaking interconnected with each other in the following manner, namely, if a person who is the owner or a partner or director of a company or undertaking, or who directly or indirectly holds or controls shares carrying not less than 20% of the voting power in such company or undertaking, is also the owner or partner or director of another company or undertaking, or directly or indirectly holds or controls shares carrying not less than. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran Maqsood, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College, Shahadra.